If you are new to Boxem but already an existing Amazon seller and want to import your existing buy cost to immediately sync all your analytics and have all your profit and your restocking and all your tracking correctly in Boxem from day one, this video is going to break down exactly how to do that. Let's jump inside my screen. So starting off here on Boxem.com, and all you're going to need to do to get this going, guys, is to sync your account to Boxem, which is super easy. And then within Boxem right here, if you just go to Boxem.com and go to Boxem.com/help or Boxem.com/docs, you can see our how to support and docs right. And then all we have to do is go to inventory right here. And then when you're listing new SKUs into Boxem, you add in your buy cost there and that syncs all your analytics. However, if you have already existing inventory and you want everything to sync and be good from day one, you can go ahead and bulk enter them, whether that be importing from other tools or just entering the buy cost in the inventory page here. So we can see how this works, where you just go to locating a product on the inventory page and then going in and entering the buy cost field. We can do variable buy cost right here. So this is kind of the manual way to do it if you maybe don't use another software previously here, and then everything you can go ahead and enter that in. And now it's going to go ahead and sync your analytics. So the Boxem.com/docs that our team put together is incredibly helpful for navigating this. We can also go ahead and use a template right here. So you can go ahead and download one right here, just navigating to the inventory page and then click import and then download a template right here. So this is how you can go ahead and sync everything and create a spreadsheet, then import them right away to Boxem. Maybe if you already have a buy sheet or something like that that has all your historic purchases. And you can do it from Aura, BQL, and other tools as well, where in Aura, you can go ahead and navigate to the reports page, click download, and then import them. And we have where you can go ahead and import from a software here, those different options, like these different ones too. So for example, this one here, right? We can see, go ahead here, import and import based on that template right there and everything. So you can export your data from these other softwares you may have previously been using or are currently using in the case of a repricer, which we nicely integrate with several different repricers, Aura, Seller Snap, Be Cool, and everything like that. So it's really easy to go ahead and get this set up, guys. Just go to Boxem.com/docs, then click inventory, and then go ahead and click whichever one of these options speaks to you, and it'll have a nice step-by-step guide for you on all of those right there. And if you're watching this, you're probably an existing seller. Let us know what else you want us to add to Boxem. Our team is working incredibly hard to crank up development speed and get tons of stuff out. Just recently, we've added the AI. We have the feedback requester. The restocking tab is awesome too as well. We also have all the profit analytics, listing, shipping, all that kind of stuff. The bulk ungating feature was a massive hit too as well. It's making a lot of you guys' lives way easier right here. So Boxem.com/docs, click inventory, and then click whichever guide is necessary for you, and you'll have all your costs into Boxem super, super quick. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you haven't yet, get a 2-week free trial on Boxem.com. Check out some of our other videos on our channel for more great content on how to use Boxem.